the presence of ZANU-PF, the citizens are enjoying and actually enjoying the rally. As you can see, they are singing and dancing around. It boggles the mind why the police are not here to protect the citizens. Why have we decided to turn our country into such a pariah state, such a lawless country, where another political party comes to disrupt a legally approved rally?
Music DJ.
Aiwa, harwendo rwuno Chamisa ari kutora chero zvikaita sei zvikaoma zvikadii. Chamisa ari kutora rwendo runo. This is a sign of desperation from ZANU-PF people, but to Triple C people, it shows that people need change. People are demanding change. No matter how you can suppress people, they will tell you, they will show you the middle finger in the ballot. The people will decide in the ballot. So we have seen this happening in various areas, but vanhu vari kungotaura shoko rimwe chete rekuti tinogona kurohwawo kumana, tinogona kuuraiwa, tinogona kukuvadzwa. Let us wait for the election day. 23 August is coming. Ndakanzwa mumwe mudara achitaura kuti hapana musi usingasvikiwo kumana. That means people are just waiting for that day. No matter how long it might take for us to reach 23 August, that day is definitely coming. No matter how hard the campaign will be, no matter how they will intimidate us, that day is definitely coming. The campaign is going to be tough, but victory is certain. We know for sure that we are winning this election. We know for sure that Zimbabwe is ready for change. We know for sure that change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. God has remembered Zimbabwe. God is blessing Zimbabwe. God is doing wonders in Zimbabwe. And we have to unite. This country needs to unite. This country needs God-fearing leaders who are going to make sure that they utilize the resources for the betterment of the people of Zimbabwe. The education sector, especially in the rural areas, the health sector, especially in the rural areas, you see that those sectors, they are completely behind. The transformation of the education lies on digitalization of the economy. Why are we not digitalizing the economy? It's because looters know very well that if the economy is digitalized, looting will be difficult to do. But Advocate Nelson Chamisa will digitalize the economy, who improve efficiency in the economy in every sector, being it in the office of passport, the registrar's office, the finance office, every ministry, the agricultural office, every ministry will be digitalized, and we'll start to see corruption going down and people of Zimbabwe benefiting more from their resources, from the wealth, from the national cake. That is Advocate Nelson Chamisa.